Yo, TikTok, do you want to learn how to grow your own? Check this out. On my Instagram, I asked people what they wanted me to talk about. One of them was the best beginner tips. Let's get into it. Number one, guys, you guys have to have the right mentality. When going into growing your own, you gotta have the right mentality. You can't go in thinking that you're gonna figure it all out in your first run. Myself, I'm still like very new to this. I've learned a lot in the past like 2 years, and definitely when I first started, my mentality was like I'm gonna learn everything like in a couple months. But truth is, guys, there's people in this game that have been doing it for 30 years and they're still learning. So number one, mentality. Number two, guys, you guys gotta have the right equipment. Without the right equipment, guys, how are you guys gonna grow? Are you gonna grow indoor or outdoor? That's all gonna depend up to you, and those are serious questions that you need to ask yourself. If you guys have questions, you guys can DM me on Instagram and I'll make sure to take care of you guys. Number three, guys, is get some great genetics. What you put in is what you get out. So if you put in trash genetics, guys, you're probably gonna end up with trash. So make sure you guys get some good genetics. Look up a really dope seed bank, get some genetics. If you guys are looking for genetics, just wait for my drop, which I'm gonna be announcing on Instagram, so go follow me. All right, guys, the next thing in my opinion is gonna be, you gotta have a community, guys. You guys cannot do this alone. Like, I learned off of YouTube, you guys are learning off TikTok and possibly my YouTube channel. So make sure you guys have a community of like-minded people that are also trying to learn. Best way to do that right now is for you guys to join my Discord. The link is in the bio. I have about 800 growers from all stages that are willing to help you out. All you guys have to do is go to the community, be active, ask questions, and trust me, in no time you'll harvest your first round. All right, guys, next tip is gonna be a little bit more advanced, but all I'm gonna say is, guys, you guys gotta have an IPM program. What that means is basically pest management. You guys have to be able to manage your pests. Growing at home is just like if you're trying to grow in a professional commercial spot. You gotta keep it clean. So make sure you guys have a good IPM program. Again, if you guys wanna learn more about that, follow me on Instagram, join the Discord. And last but not least, guys, just don't take yourself so serious, guys. At the end of the day, when you're growing your own, it's like you're gardening. So just take it easy, have the right mindset, have fun, and just share your flower with your friends. That's what it is about at the end of the day. Make sure to follow me and give me a like.